I get asked this question more than almost any other. Water flosser or string floss? Which one is actually better? And I want to give you a genuinely honest answer. Not a product pitch, a real clinical perspective from someone who has been watching how people clean their teeth, what happens when they do not for 40 years. You see, I'm Marc Mortiboys, holistic and biological dentist with 4 decades in clinical practice. String floss, when used correctly, is genuinely effective. Can physically remove plaque and debris from between the teeth and just below the gum line. You see, research from the American Academy of Periodontology has consistently shown that interdental cleaning, meaning cleaning between the teeth, significantly reduces gingivitis and gum inflammation. The problem is compliance. A published paper in the Journal of Periodontology found that self-reported flossing habits are significantly more optimistic than actual behavior. People tell their dentist they floss, they often do not. And I understand why. I even find it personally uncomfortable. It cuts into the gum tissue when used too aggressively. It bleeds sometimes, it's fiddly. For people with crowded teeth, bridge work or implants, even braces, it can be almost impossible to use effectively. And once something becomes something you dread, it stops happening, right? That's not a character flaw, that is just human nature. Water flosser can also be called an oral irrigator. It uses a pressurized string of water to flush debris and bacteria from between the teeth and along the gum line. It's disrupting and flushing the bacterial environment in the spaces that matter most. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that a water flosser was significantly more effective than string floss at reducing gingival bleeding and plaque scores. Also, a Cochrane review also concluded that water flossers, when used alongside toothbrushing, are more effective than brushing alone for reducing gingivitis. And critically, people actually use them. It takes about 2 minutes, it does not cut. Consistency over time is what produces results in oral health. A tool that works perfectly but gets used twice a week. We're always used to a tool that works very well and gets used every single day. Now, I want to tell you what I actually think, because I said honest answer and I mean it. String floss, done correctly and consistently, and your gums are healthy, I'm not going to tell you to stop or change. For most people, string floss is something that they do inconsistently, often incorrectly, and sometimes not at all. And in that context, a water flosser used daily is going to produce better real-world outcomes for sure. Not because it is theoretically superior in every dimension, but because it is the one that people will actually use. Neither replaces your toothbrush. Your toothbrush cleans the surfaces. Interdental tools, whether string or water, clean the spaces between. The question is simply which interdental tool are you actually going to use consistently? And the Dental Shaman Ozone water flosser that I branded takes a step further. Standard water flossers use plain water. The addition of ozonated water introduces antibacterial elements that works without chemicals, without disrupting the beneficial bacteria in your oral microbiome, and without residue. And ozone has been used in clinical dentistry for over a century. It's a well-researched tool for reducing harmful bacterial load in the mouth. It's not a cure. It is not a replacement for professional dental care. It is a tool, really good one, designed from decades of understanding what damaged, unhealthy gums actually need. If you are someone who finds string flossing painful, difficult, or something you keep meaning to start, a water flosser is likely to serve you better in practice. The evidence supports it. The compliance data supports it, and 40 years of watching what actually happens in people's mouths supports it. And if you want to learn more about Dental Shaman Ozone water flosser and how it fits into a daily gum care routine, there is a link in the description below. Take care of your mouth. It deserves a routine that actually works for you. Smile healthy and share this message with your loved ones. Marc.